What happens to your body when you cycle every day? In today's video, we're uncovering what happens to your body when you cycle every day for 45 minutes. Cycling is one of the most powerful yet underrated exercises for improving overall health, fitness, and mental well-being, according to the World Health Organization. Regular cycling can reduce the risk of heart disease by up to 50%, and that's just the beginning. Many people choose cycling because it's affordable, practical, and eco-friendly. But what most don't realize is that even daily moderate cycling can completely transform your body and mind. So if you've been waiting for the perfect time to start cycling, this is it. Let's get started. Muscles activated while cycling. Cycling is a full-body activity. The legs do most of the work, especially the quadriceps, hamstrings, calves, and glutes, which generate power with every pedal stroke. Your core muscles, including the abs and lower back, stabilize your body and maintain balance. The back, shoulders, arms, and even chest muscles help control the handlebars and support posture, especially during climbs or rough terrain. 1. Increased muscle strength. And endurance cycling every day strengthens your legs, glutes, core, and upper body. Stronger muscles improve posture, reduce injury risk, and boost metabolism, meaning you burn more calories even at rest. Over time, your aerobic endurance increases, making everyday activities like climbing stairs or walking feel easier and less tiring. 2. Better cardiovascular and lung health. Cycling strengthens the heart, improves blood circulation, lowers blood pressure, and balances cholesterol levels. It increases lung capacity and oxygen efficiency, helping your body perform better with less fatigue. A healthier heart and lungs mean more energy and a longer, healthier life. 3. Weight control and fat loss. A 45-minute cycling session burns a significant number of calories and improves fat metabolism. Studies show cycling helps reduce body fat while preserving lean muscle mass. It also boosts your metabolism, creating an afterburn effect that continues to burn calories even after your ride ends. 4. Mental health and hormonal balance. Cycling triggers the release of endorphins, dopamine, and serotonin, chemicals responsible for happiness and stress relief. Regular cycling reduces anxiety, depression, and cortisol levels while improving sleep quality and hormonal balance. Outdoor cycling adds the bonus of nature, further enhancing mental well-being. 5. Brain function and longevity. Daily cycling improves focus, memory, and cognitive function. Research shows aerobic exercise increases hippocampus size, helping protect against Alzheimer's and Parkinson's disease. It also lowers the risk of diabetes, strengthens the immune system, and reduces oxidative stress linked to aging. 6. Joint health, mobility, and posture. Cycling is low impact, making it ideal for joint health. It improves flexibility in the hips, knees, and ankles, while reducing stiffness. Strengthened core and glute muscles support spinal alignment, reducing back pain and improving posture. Bonus: cycling gear for better rides. To maximize benefits, safety comes first. A certified helmet is essential. Gel saddles improve comfort and reduce pressure. Cycling gloves enhance grip and protect your hands. Glasses shield your eyes from wind, dust, and UV rays. Breathable clothing and padded shorts increase comfort, while lights and reflectors improve visibility. Remember, you don't need expensive gear to start. Even a well-maintained old bike is enough. Final thoughts: cycling is simple, affordable, and life-changing. Just 45 minutes a day can improve your strength, heart health, mental clarity, and overall quality of life. Start today, stay consistent, and enjoy the ride. If you enjoyed this video, like, subscribe, and share your cycling experience in the comments. See you in the next ones. Stay healthy and keep riding.